Howdy folks, it's Hansom, and today we got to have y'all hit that like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. Pentax 17, first film camera made by them in a very long time. Came out June 2024, $500. At first glance, take a zero off, and that's about what I think you should be paying for this. It's half frame, very plasticky, definitely plastic. Seen some cool images, I guess, but this came across my desk because it is not advancing anymore. Now I'm gonna be real with y'all, I don't know diddly squat about this camera. Nothing. I had no intentions of purchasing it, shooting it, nothing. But it's here, and we're here. Apparently we need to figure this out. And I'm gonna keep being real with y'all. I may not even figure out what is going on with this camera, just a heads up. But I just want this to be documented. Look at all these screws on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dang. And I'm just curious to see what this thing look like naked, bro. Is that a audio jack? So you can listen to MP3s while you're shooting half frames? It's okay. Been fired before. Fired a lot. But this thing ain't advancing. So it turns on, actually shoots, and then it won't advance. One thing I noticed is the rewind button is pressed in still. So I think that is really our issue right there. If I can get that thing. Oh, look at here. No. Oh, I got it to pop out. We put it in, we shake it around, and then we come. All right, let's turn it on. We fired it, and it's still jammed up. All right, I'm gonna start with the bottom plate because this top plate looks absolutely absurd. So let's go ahead and take this bottom plate off real quick. And I wanna see if this bottom plate is plastic. I don't know if there's any repair videos on or breakdown. Maybe, whoa. Different sizes for the tripod socket. Watch this thing fall in. It's magnesium alloy. That's what you get. It's pretty cool, I guess. This ain't cool. Hey, look at that release magnet right there, y'all. Killer. Maybe it's a bad release magnet. Wish I had one for an example. But I can already tell that, yep, see that. Lift that up. Oh, there goes our rewind button. Probably goes right there. Oh, it fired with the flash. So something's going on with this lever. Okay. Something's supposed to advance. Interesting. Wish I had one for an example. Do I have one in the store? Oh. No way, dude. It was the release magnet, y'all. No freaking way. I mean, I sometimes I'm good, and sometimes I'm awesome. And right now, your boy is awesome. Let's. Yeah, I mean, what am I supposed to do here? I fixed it. So the release magnet was jammed up, and I just had to give it a little egg up. I can't pick up. Come on. I can fix cameras, but I can't pick up the dang bottom plate. Ooh, going on weight right there, boy. Well, I guess y'all can start sending me your Pentax 17s. Psych! That one screw, well, two screws, longer than them all. Or I guess, so it's these two screws, do not forget, if you take off your bottom plate, are longer than the other 6. So let's make sure that's just literally unbelievable. No way. Let's run it through its course really fast. All right, we got the... Oh, mind you, this is a zone focus camera as well. How dare you make a zone focus camera and half frame for $500? Man, low key, you could have did like $225 or $299. Yeah, I mean, but no. Hey, shout out to Pentax though for coming out with a film camera in 2024. That is pretty cool though. I'm gonna stop beating them up on that one. Yeah, man, y'all need to make an SLR. Come back with the K1000, you know what I mean? K1000, man, that would be killer. If I was a millionaire, I'd put money into it, but I'm not. Not yet. High hopes. Pentax 17 certified right here. Know what I'm talking about? Send me the certification in the mail, Pentax. Dang. It was fun. It was quick, and I appreciate y'all's time. Almost forgot this one important thing, if not the most important thing I do with film cameras that I repair, and that is leave my mark like back in the day. They used to leave these just in case the next tech opens this. Final stamp. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe, shoot your boy a comment. Until next time, don't break nothing.